The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
But it's the same. So the best loser from you guys is gonna play with them because we're 5 teams now.
Okay.
So then we're gonna have
0-0-2. Leave. Oh. Short. Huh? It's gone? Okay, good. Good point. Oh. 1-0-2. Sorry. 2-0-2. Three, 0, 2.
Give him the awkward body shot.
Yeah. 4-0-2. Good shot. Well done. Nice shot. Leave. Good coverage. Yeah. Good.
Good.
5.
5-0-1.
Ah, short.
Oh yeah. We just destroys it. Especially with the slate.
5-0-2. Leave. 6-0-2. Nice. 7-0-2. I felt it, bro. Man, dude, you're a beast. Good point. I got it.
That wall is
7-0-1. 8-0-1. Leave. Good shot. Brilliant shot. Wow. That was amazing.
whoever wins here and win again, get the goal. So we
Okay.
have 2 more
This
games.
person plays again.
Yeah.
I got it, but I missed it.
Good shot. Yeah. 0-1-1. 1-1-1. Leave. We got to play through them on the volley because they're good at that shit.
I'm glad
Huh?
you played the volley though.
Yeah. 2-1-1.
Out. Come on, let's go, Jason. 3, 1, 1. Leave. Let's go. Maintain the focus. 4, 1, 1. Oh, God. Yeah. That's it, boy.
You had a better shot at it.
All right, prepare for the volley. Yeah, they're gonna play it. Leave. Brilliant. 4, 4, 1.
Good shot.
There we go. 5, 4, 1. Me. You. Six, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2. No, 1. Sorry, 6, 4, 1. This is my first serve. My first serve. Six, 4, 1. Ugh.
6, 4, 2.
You. That's it, boy.
7, 4, 2.
Nice.
4, 2.
You. Out. Let's go, Jason. Eight, 5, 1. Leave. Good listen, good ears, good ears. Yeah. What's that, 9? 9, 5, 1. One. Ten, 5, 1. Wow. Toughest team. Well done, well done.
Oh, yeah.
Very good, guys. Take the goat, another goat for your baby. And
Thank you.
it's off.
No, it's on.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
There we go.
Deborah.
Yay, guys. Nice to see you all. Thank
Great
you
as
so much.
always, bro.
guys, so it is our final day on the ship. I must admit I am happy, and at the same time I'm also sad. In a nutshell, I would give this ship cruise whole thing, I would say easily a 9.5, and if someone said 10, I would not debate. It has been an amazing experience. So in a nutshell, let's talk about my room pretty much. Yeah, a lot of things I do on the video sometimes is just to give everybody an equal opportunity to make their own decision. So yes, if I wanted to get a window room, I could have done it, but just to show you guys the experience of the stateroom. And overall, I think it was a pretty accommodating room. Downsides, of course, there is no window, and the window allows you to wake up a little bit earlier. When you go down there, it's almost like a dungeon because it's dark, but you might be looking for that because you're on a vacation and you might just be here to take in a lot of sleep and just chill. The food was top tier. If you want the opportunity to try a bunch of different types of foods that you've never tried before, or even your favorites, it's going to be there, and I kid you not, the food has been exceptional. That for me has been an easy 10 out of 10. The foods I never liked was just because of my own taste buds, my own palate. The customer service, which is always a big thing, that was very, very, very good, especially in the dining room at Sapphire. Every single night I look forward to see our two waiters. They had great personalities, and like I said, we got the chance to hear about their home countries. For example, the Philippines, which is a country that I want to go to, and also Indonesia. So big up yourself, Butch, and is it Uhit? Uhid, I believe. Amazing characters. Now for me, what made it probably not a 10, because my partner in crime, my girlfriend, was not here. So I think that's what kind of lessened it a little bit for me. So yeah, I guess you can say it's a 10. But you know, my cousin was an amazing substitute because she's always down for the thrills. Exceptional, like when she think about the boss Alivar. The cruise. Because what was your overall experience being on the cruise, being away from work, being served, being catered to?
Being away from work is like anything away from work. I love you work, but being away from work was the interaction with everybody. It was like top. And knowing that it was your first cruise, yes, I was happy to be here with you experiencing your first cruise, and I'm looking forward to joining you, I don't know, on the next adventure.
You have to.
So yes, overall I love Aruba.
Yeah,
point I love Aruba. As you mentioned, the food is awesome, the food is good. So yeah, overall I really had a wonderful time. And yes, my partner in crime is not here also, whomever you be. Yes, my partner in crime is not here, so I would definitely agree with Steven. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 for me.
Thanks. So the last thing is we're going to just chill out today, go for some dinner. We already got the baggage things in our respective rooms. So yeah, Michelle is exclaiming over there. She's gesticulating because she's been packed from like yesterday. I am not packed as yet, but yeah, the bag tags are in the room. Your envelope to tip your maid is also in the room as well, and the check-in for the ship was very, very easy. So I also expect the checkout for the ship to be very easy as well. You guys know when you go on a plane and everybody's rushing to get up and leave, everything here is organized. So you go by muster stations, you go by timing, you go by color codes. So that is an amazing thing to experience. Anyway, so I'll catch you guys probably at dinner or whenever we are leaving the ship. And guys, thank you so much for just chilling with us on this series and dropping your comments and your likes. And I hope you guys embark on a cruise soon, because I'm definitely going to be taking another one. So I hope to see you guys on that.
Right here, we were like down here last night, and look how far it is now. Wow,
traveling right across.
I'm telling you, at night time this boat is all in ass for reach home. I'm like, you can feel it.
full.
We don't know why. It's every other day is all.
Oh my god. You ready to go camping?
You look like you're camping, I'm going with you.
Oh my gosh. You see me alarm? Yeah, half a wake up in Raja. Ready?
Repeat these colors. Green, yellow, green.
Yeah.
Oh, green, yellow, green.
You're gonna miss my friend them. Washi washi. I'm gonna miss them.
Thank you very much.
Something like it. Something big like explore.
Washi washi.
The night lights them on the building. If your number has been
Good morning, how you all doing? Welcome back. Please don't forget to pick up the luggage.
Goodbye. It was fun. God.
ready for the next trip.
Yeah. You getting a taxi? I just got. Is it one of the director man them? Who are direct the taxi them here now? Hey, Soai, you can't stay right there, so. See me or not? What you say? You know, Soai. It was so funny.
Alright guys, so you guys should know where I'm at. I'm in Kurt's room, greatest person I've ever met. The checkout process was super easy, and I think that's all I have to say for this adventure. I hope you guys did learn a lot. I hope you guys do. If you've never gone on a cruise, treat yourself to that like my cousin did, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope to see you guys on many more cruises. Oh, and shout out to the roadside attendant who watches the channel. It was really cool meeting you this morning. Anyway, remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.